Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change incoming call ringtone sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up settings. Then we scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Next in here, tap on ringtone. The reflection ringtone sound is the default settings. Now scroll down the list here and choose a ringtone that you would like to use. Now if you tap on the classic option, you can see there is a right arrow. If you tap on that, there will be more options for you to choose. So go down the list here and select a ringtone you would like to use. Okay, so select one of the ringtone sounds, and that's it. Now you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. That is how you can change the incoming call ringtone sound on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.